Hi everyone, it is 6 in the morning and I don't think I've ever filmed, even on my Instagram. I don't think I've ever talked to you guys this early in the morning. I sound like a man, more than usual, and I got it through to what? I fell asleep. I got 1.5 hours of sleep. I'm gonna be getting ready to go to, getting too close. I'm gonna be getting ready to go to Band's Warped Tour today. I want to do like a floral theme. However, any idea I have, I know how to achieve part of the look, but I won't know how to do another. This is me stalling because I'm too terrified to begin. So I guess let's just start. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, so I'm just not even gonna film that because nobody wants to see that, and I'll come back when I have them on and maybe have a better idea of what I'm gonna do. So, see ya. Okay, my eyebrows they're somewhat on. So I've had this picture saved to my camera roll for a minute and then I forgot about it, and James Charles did a video inspired by it, so it just kind of reminded me of it. And I'm thinking, just instead of doing what I had in my head that I don't have a reference picture of, that I could easily mess up because again I don't have a reference picture, I'm just gonna take inspiration from this. Okay, I don't know where I'm going with this. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette for today. Georgia, and this is gonna be more of a cut crease ordeal. So I'm gonna place that above my crease. I haven't done a cut crease in a minute. Then I'm going to take Candied Peach and place that just a little bit lower. I'm probably going to go back and forth between Puree and Summer Yum. And I'm going to place that at the lowest and in the crease. Okay, that is looking pretty messy. This is why I don't do cut creases, because they always look like a mess until the very end. So I have faith that this will come together in the end, hopefully. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with white peach because I just want to get that out of the way. I'm gonna cut the crease. I don't know. I don't need to make it super sharp because the flowers will cover it, but I do want to get a basic shape going. So I'm nervous because now is the time. Now is the time when I do the flowers. Kill me. Before that though, I want to make this more pink, so I'm going to take the Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm going to take the shade Savage, and I'm just going to lightly run over everything with that color just to give it a more pink hue. And I'm going to use this little nail art dotting tool. I don't know how to explain this, so I might try a few and see if I can figure it out. They're not perfect. I don't even know if you can tell that they're flowers. But I have them on. It's fine. These were all the colors I used just for this. I wasn't gonna do falsies originally, but this look needs it. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna give up before I have a mental breakdown. I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm not gonna do a lot of product on my face, I say, because it's gonna be real hot. I'm gonna go in with a liquid highlighter. This is Oyster Liquid Glow by Anastasia. I'm gonna put that in my high points. I'm gonna take the MAC strobe cream. I'm gonna put that all over my face because we love a good glow. It smells good too. I'm like literally the only place I'm not putting it is on my nose and here I'm just gonna go in with concealer and hopefully my bronzer will melt it in. So I'll just go in with a little more than usual, I guess. And I'm even gonna take some brightener, some color corrector, and I'm gonna use that kind of just to highlight a little bit. I'm gonna take my MAC concealer palette, and I've done this I think in all my videos. Use the darkest shade to bronze. I'm gonna set my under eyes with powder. Oh my god, dude, my under eyes are so bad. I'm just taking some powder foundation, but my eyes are really bad. I'm gonna take my Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bronzer. You know what it is. Do I use anything else? No. I'm gonna take my MAC Peaches blush and go pretty freaking heavy. And like really just putting that everywhere. Okay. That might have been too much. I knew I would have a bad makeup day. Like of all days, I knew it would be today. That's just great. That's just fantastic. Don't you just love it when that happens? The one time I want to look good. The one time I'm like, yes, I'm gonna get up at 5 in the morning to look good. I'm being played. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer for this. Okay, my fake freckles are on. I need to set them. I'm gonna highlight with, what else? My Dior highlighter. If you expected anything different. Why are you even here? Oh my gosh. Never ceases to amaze me. I'm gonna do my lower lash line really quick.
Mama!
Hi!
What is this?
Last but not least, gloss. And again, what else other than my Dior gloss in 363? Can you close my door? Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, I am done. I am scary looking. I still have to hurry and get all my stuff done before I go, which is in 20 minutes. I'm probably gonna sweat it off, like I'm crying already, but thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching my struggles. It's fine. I hope, okay, I need to stop. I hope that you have a good day, and if you're going to a music festival or wherever, you take inspiration from this. Let me know. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you think it's a piece of trash. Like, let me know. Subscribe, and bye.